Hi, my name is Chandra Sekhar Bijibilla. I have 25 years of software industry experience in various roles. Currently, I am working as a coding tutor. We are planning to give React.js kind of technology, that is a library. What are the prerequisites? So you need to learn HTML, you need to learn CSS, and you need to aware basic JavaScript. Then you are entry to the React.js. Okay. So in this particular React.js session level, we are going to start introduction part. Okay. So JavaScript is a library for building user interface, especially React.js is used for user interface. In this particular React.js level, you need to understand some sort of the terminology. This terminology is also very important in the interview also. Okay. First one is, what is single page application? What is single page application? I will give you some of the examples. These examples you people already aware, experienced also. Everyone is using the Gmail, right? So whenever you are going to get the email inbox, it is not at all reloaded entire page, right? The inbox only it is going to update it. And most of the people are having a Facebook kind of account, right? So something is posting, or else Twitter, or else any kind of e-commerce level, you can observe something you are going to update it, that particular area only it is going to reload it. Entire page is not at all reloaded, right? Such type of applications we can call it as a single page applications. Okay. So we are going to learn some other kind of key features also one by one, especially React.js is component based architecture. What is this meaning of component based architecture? See, for example, any kind of website, header section is there, footer is there, sidebar is there, right? If you are going to modify anything, the particular area only it is going to changing. And one more thing is that component wherever you want reusable also. For example, footer is there. Every application level you can able to see the same kind of footer, right? So even different pages level also reusable is there. That is nothing but a component based architecture. Okay. And it is a declarative syntax. Especially you people are aware the HTML tags, right? So even little bit JavaScript also, you can able to see JavaScript is different and HTML is different, right? Coming to the React.js, the combination JavaScript we are going to writing in the form of HTML, that is nothing but a JSX. JavaScript XML, that kind of thing we are going to learning. And DOM operations. DOM is nothing but a document object model, and even XML is also one kind of document, HTML is also one kind of document. In the document level, root element HTML is there, under that HTML header and body, right? This is the DOM, right? Especially in the React, original DOM it is there. There is another kind of virtual DOM is there. If something you are going to change the component, it is going to connect to the virtual DOM, right? So in the virtual DOM level, whatever the modifications you have done, it is going to reflect it in the original DOM. See, whenever you are go to any kind of hospital, people are going to check the pulse, right? Your heartbeat. How we are going to checking? Similarly, it is going to checking your DOM heartbeat, virtual DOM heartbeat. Based on that original DOM, it is going to change. This is also one kind of feature. Okay. And one more thing is React.js level. This is a unidirectional kind of way it is going to move. That means if I am going to changing one area, that is reflected in the another kind of area, source to destination, like that it is going to move it. Only unidirectional, not a bidirectional. Okay, that is the way you are going to see. We are going to see some more kind of JSX syntax, and there is a multiple kind of hooks are available. Here you need to understand this terminology before go to other kind of sessions. Hooks. What are the hooks? See, in the our life also, consider as our life, childhood is there, youngster age is there, and old man is there. We are not inviting, right? So by day, age is increasing. Automatically, you are going to become as a child to youngster to a pure man, right, and old man, right? Similarly, whatever the functionalities we are going to implementing, we are not inviting. Automatically it is going to execute it. Those are all life cycle methods. What are that one? Life cycle methods. In the React level, there is a components are there. In the coming sessions we are going to discussing those component level. One of the component is functional component. That component level functions are, we can call it as hooks. Those are all I am going to call right now life cycle methods, but functional component level we can call it as a life cycle hooks. So that kind of features we are going to discussing. Your understanding purpose, again I am going to repeating what we are discussing here. First you need to understand single page application. Especially in this area, you need to understand the first introduction level, what is single page. Outcome is single page. What is single page? You need to understand first thing. So any particular portion, if you are going to changing that area only, it is reflected. Entire page is not at all reloaded. This is number one. Number two, you need to understand why we need to learn the React.js. What are the competitors are available in the market? React.js competitors are Angular and Vue.js. But React is a library, Angular and Vue is the framework. What is the difference between the framework and library? Library is a particular functionality is ready-made, it is available. Wherever it is fit, you can use it. But framework is a partially it is designed. That framework you need to follow and full-fledged application you need to develop. Okay, so this is the kind of things more detailedly we are going to discussing in the coming videos. Until follow, if you want to learn more hands-on experience, please contact Aja Coding Tutor. All the best.